In ancient times, when large packs of wolves roamed the vast forests and plains of Europe and saber-toothed tigers saw us as their natural prey, it was vital to be able to escape these wild beasts. And no matter if you believe this to be true for our human historical evolution, our physical body elementals themselves, from prehistorical time up until now, have developed a genius coping mechanism to deal with these threats called stress. So how does stress work? When you're in mortal danger, energy flows from the kidneys up to the adrenal glands, and the adrenal glands use this energy to release large amounts of adrenaline, cortisol and other substances within a few seconds, which gives the body a greater chance of survival. This intense energy boost makes it possible to do what is necessary on full power. So for wolves and other animals that hunt by scent, it's important to flee. For tigers and other felines who hunt for movement, it's better to freeze, and when there's no escape, fight. The fawn solution is also an option when we have to act immediately. We face the threatening situation by trying to please the opponent to avoid conflict. Without the 4 F's of flight, fight, freeze and fawn, we would have never been able to develop into the beings we are today.